Welcome to the Atlanta Carpenters Training Center in Atlanta, Georgia. My name is Anthony Valdez, training coordinator here, and I'd like to welcome Burkmar High School, Job Corps, Future Seeker Inc., Incorporated, and any other contractor that is visiting us today.
I'm not really moving it, I'm just holding it down in there, but I'm trying to make it stay the same. So you gotta remember, your rod gets shorter as you're going along.
Know how fast this area is growing. No shortage of new buildings that pop up just about every single day.
Yeah, but to get those built, there's a big need for more people to jump into various trades in the construction field. And Amelia Young's live in Laverne at the open house for the city's training facility, and we're told they're hoping this attracts some much needed help.
Yeah, like you guys said, something new every day here in the mid-state. And luckily, this facility opened actually last May, but working to get more folks in because, yeah, like you said, there is a labor shortage. They're training apprenticeships for carpentry and millwrights. And we're with Ricky Moore this morning, the director of training, going to talk a little bit about everything that you've got here because there's a lot to see and do and a lot for folks to learn.
Yes, they are. You know, our training center, like she said, we bring in apprentices, carpenter and millwrights. You know, we really focus on the high schoolers coming out of high school. You know, 17-year-olds can come and apply. They can go to work out in the field when they turn 18, but they can go ahead and start their training. All of our apprentices get 144 total class hours a year, and the millwrights get 200. And then in 4 years, this is a 4-year program, they have a total of 576 hours, and they get some really great training to go out in the field and help our contractors do wonderful work, procure more jobs. Excuse me.
And a lot of this, what David, our photojournalist, has shown us now, it's a lot of hands-on because that's what you've got to have for a career like this. Talk to me a little bit about everything that we're seeing right now.
So he just went past the mill shop, and we started off at our interior system, which is metal stud, drywall, ceiling, floor. You know, you get into the mill shop, which you're cutting up your plywood, planing down, mortising. He's filming right now. He's doing a roof truss framing or roof framing prop. We got concrete form props down here, different types of concrete forms. And we got the Simon's form. They have a stair form down there at the bottom that they're working on right now.
Yeah.
So there's just all different kinds of training, hands-on training we do.
And specifically, you said 17, if you're in high school, they can come here, learn, and then once they turn 18, can get that job. Of course, looking for more folks, for folks not going to college, it's a great idea to get more trade skills. Coming up in the next half hour, we just showed you the carpentry side, going to show you the millwright side, a lot of interesting stuff and really cool things over there that you've got to show. So stick with us. We'll be right back in about 30 minutes from here.